Hi, I'm John Castle, and in this set of video clips we're going to learn positions of relief for low back pain. Very often when you first are experiencing low back pain, the pain can be so severe that you can't really do very many movement-oriented things. You certainly can't start stretching yet or doing exercises that are designed to rehabilitate low back pain. And what's happening is you're experiencing what's known as the pain spasm cycle. The pain spasm cycle is a self-perpetuating cycle that you can't seem to break out of. And what's happening is your pain, you're experiencing pain that's causing a muscle spasm. The muscle spasm in turn is causing more pain. And this cycle just keeps going around and around and around. And it can actually go on for days or even weeks. And it can be so painful that you can hardly move. Well, what can you do under these circumstances? The first thing you want to try to do is break this pain spasm cycle. Well, how can you do it if you can't move? Well, the way you do it is you try to relieve the pain. And if you can relieve the pain, that very often relieves the muscle spasm. Anyway, relieving the pain is the key to breaking the pain spasm cycle. And the way we're going to approach that is to learn the positions that you can get into that will actually relieve the pain that you're experiencing. Alright, that's where we're headed in this set of videos, so let's get started.